there! So today we're going to cook beef caldereta. So I hope you like it. This is a New Zealand version. Let's get started. So what we need is chopped garlic, minced, chopped onions, just one medium size, about half cup of frozen peas, and half cup of tomato sauce, sliced half of green and red capsicum, so the equivalent of one capsicum. About half a cup of carrots, about 1.5 of potato, and a steak, so about half a kilo. And also I use this caldereta mix. Here are the complete ingredients. Now let's add cooking oil into a heated pan. I use olive oil, garlic like so, add the onions like so, and saute it together with the garlic until it's tenderly cooked. And I add the sliced beef, this is the sirloin steak, and stir fry it like so. I like to brown it until it's halfly cooked, and then I add potato like so and mix it together. I then add the carrots like so. Make sure, and then I add the mixed caldereta in a bit more water, or 1/3 cup. Boil it for around 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes this is the outcome, and it's looking good already. And then add the peas. This is a frozen peas, and just mix it like so. The tomato sauce. This is a half a cup of tomato sauce, and just mix it like so. Boil for another 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, make sure you check the potato if it's cooked. Add about 3 leaves of bay leaves. This will give a bit of an aroma for caldereta. And add pepper, so just a grind pepper, and just a touch of water, about 1/3 cup, and mix it like so. Add the capsicum and just mix it like so. Capsicum gives it a bit of a flavor. Then add chicken stock, just a powdered chicken stock, and let it simmer for 5 minutes so it's nearly cooked. Just lower the heat while simmering it, and after 5 minutes, this is the outcome. So it's nearly cooked. As you can see, it's starting to thicken a bit with the sauce in that. And make sure that the potato is cooked, so I use a fork to taste if it's cooked. So it's now cooked and just about ready to be served. This is one of the favorite dish of my family that they enjoy eating during winter time or any season really. So it's just about to dish out for our dinner for tonight, and there you go. I'm just trying to dish it out, and let's try a bit soon. Hope you enjoy. So here's the newly cooked caldereta, beef caldereta. So it's a beef stew. So let's give it a try and see how good it is. So how thick the sauce is, and so tender. And this is the potato. Normally eat this with rice, so we're gonna have it for dinner tonight. Yeah. So hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe.